James. Bulldozing, firing. No. Anderson the rebound. 2.5 to go. One there. 6 have come here in the fourth. Hachimura. LeBron. Thinking 3. He'll try to tie right here.
This is very reminiscent of that 3 he made against Golden State in the play-in game a few years ago.
James with 30.
To go even further into the backcourt to allow,
they're awaiting the inbound from James. Minnesota's got a timeout.
Here's the defense. Anthony Edwards wanted to be a better two-way player. This is how you get it done.
LeBron against Edwards. The switch on defense now on Prince. LeBron takes it in, kicks it out. Schroeder.
Well, you knew LeBron was going to make the play, right? Look at all the green and black jerseys as he drives. Collapses on the king. Gestures in the corner. And Dennis Schroeder, ice,
has gone through. In overtime, Minnesota this season 1-3. It's a 3 by Edwards. 0 of 8. And LeBron chugging the other way. Into Davis. Good-looking catch.
Did you see how high LeBron threw the ball? There was only one man in this building that was going to be able to get it.
They're exhausted.
Oh, they are.
They're exhausted.
Look how high this pass is. And look how high Davis went to go get it.
The Lakers made a mad dash down the stretch to get in. Reggie, the mad dash the Lakers had to make. Remember, at the trade deadline in early February, they were 25-30. And Rob Pelinka added from late January to that early stage of February,
basically a new team.
Russell, Beasley, but remade the team, rebuilt the team edge for this play-in game. Same one we've played with.